If you didn't know, the Memefi airdrop is going to be happening very soon. And how do I know this? Because the team just integrated a compatible wallet with the game, this game right here. Okay, so some of you have been asking me how to withdraw. Well, before we dive into that, the first thing you would want to do right now is to ensure your wallet is connected. Okay, I made a video about how to do this connection. If you want to see the video, it's going to be linked in the description of this video. But to quickly show you how it is done, simply click on this wallet. You'll be shown a sequence of 12 words, write them somewhere safe, and after that go to the next page, and that's going to bring you to this wallet right here. So now back to the question, how can Memefi be withdrawn from this wallet? Before I answer this question, I want you to first of all understand what Memefi is. Okay, Memefi is a token on the Linea blockchain, and Linea is a blockchain on the Ethereum blockchain. So what this means is Linea is a layer 2 blockchain on a layer 1 blockchain, Ethereum being the layer 1 blockchain and Linea being the layer 2 blockchain. Please excuse my technical jargons, but they are very important if you are going to understand how crypto works, and if you're actually going to understand what we are going to do here to be able to withdraw this. Okay, so Linea is a layer 2 blockchain on Ethereum, which is a layer 1 blockchain that uses a technology called ZK rollups. So Linea uses a technology called ZK rollups. Okay, if you don't know what that means, well, it is a fancy jargon, crypto jargon, that means something very simple. And what does it mean? Well, it simply means that it is a solution that helps the Ethereum blockchain process transactions faster while minimizing transaction fees to about 15 times to 20 times of what it used to be on Ethereum. We all know that transaction fees is usually very high on the Ethereum blockchain. Okay, so the Linea blockchain reduces the high cost of gas fees and also helps the Ethereum blockchain make transactions faster. Okay, so this is exactly what ZK rollups are. Zero knowledge proofs is a technology that helps scale layer 1 blockchains, makes them faster, makes them better, reduces the cost of fees. Now that we know all of this, what does this imply? Well, what it simply means is that for you to send tokens, your Memefi tokens, because after the airdrop, you're going to see your allocation here and the value in dollars. So for you to be able to send it to a centralized exchange like Binance, Bybit, OKX, and what have you, to sell on those platforms, you would need to have Ethereum. Okay, you would need to have Ethereum. So Ethereum is going to be the token you would need here for gas fees purposes. Okay, so you need some ETH here, so you would click on deposit, and that's gonna bring you to this page. So you can see this is your deposit address. You would have to click on the copy button. So once you copy this, you would have to go to a centralized exchange, okay, and send some ETH to this wallet. But here is something very important you must be very sure not to make a mistake about. And what is it? You see this thing right here? Deposit ETH on the Linea blockchain. So the network, when selecting network, would have to be Linea. Okay, so let me show you what I'm talking about. On a centralized exchange like Bybit, go to the assets section, click on funding, and go to these cryptos here. You can see I've got ETH here. Click on ETH, click on withdraw. So if you've got some ETH on your Bybit account or whatever exchange you use, you would have to paste that address we copied earlier. Okay, you paste it here, and now this was where I was talking about network. You click on this and ensure the network is Linea. Okay, this is very important. If you miss this, you're gonna send your crypto elsewhere, you wouldn't even see it. Okay, so you click on Linea, ensure it pops up here like this. Okay, and then you can key in the amount you want to withdraw and continue with the withdrawal process. Okay, so this is how you can do this. Let me know in the comments if you would want me to actually do this, okay, to send ETH here, okay. If so, after successfully getting some ETH in here, then it will be possible to withdraw this, okay. But now we can't withdraw because the airdrop has not happened, okay. But when it happens, all you would need to do would be to simply click on Memefi. It's gonna show you this, so you would simply click on withdraw, and then you would be able to process this from here. But now I can actually make any transactions. I can't click on this. Even if I click on them, nothing happens, okay. So just make sure you're following, turn on the notification bell, because I'm gonna keep making more updates about this, okay. When it is time to withdraw, I'm gonna make videos, okay. So this is it for this video. Don't forget, I've got a Telegram group, okay. The link is gonna be in the description. A lot of interesting things happen in there. You would want to join, okay. Use the link in the description. Let's go.